Did you know that the average person spends around 4 hours a day on household chores and another 2 hours on meal preparation? That's 6 hours that could be spent on more enjoyable activities. Here are 20 time-saving products that can help you reclaim some of that precious time. In this video, we'll explore 20 innovative time-saving products designed to simplify your everyday life. From kitchen gadgets to smart home devices, these tools can help you manage your time more efficiently so you can enjoy some free time. First of time-saving products to simplify your life. Veggie Chopper. Quickly chop, slice, or dice vegetables with interchangeable blades and a bonus spiralizer. Smart Outlets. Control your appliances remotely and automate tasks with smart plugs. Laundry Hamper with compartments. Sort clothes as you go to save time on laundry day. Egg Cooker. Perfectly cook eggs without standing over the stove. Automatic Pan Stirrer. Stir sauces and soups without constant attention. LED Fogless Mirror. Shave in the shower without fogging up the mirror. Onion Chopper Pro. Efficiently chop onions and other vegetables. Silicone Food Covers. Keep produce fresh by regulating oxygen and carbon dioxide flow. Microfiber Blind Duster. Easily clean blinds without leaving streaks. Pet Hair Remover Tool. Quickly remove pet hair from furniture. Dryer Vent Kit. Simplify dryer maintenance and improve efficiency. Plant Water Stakes. Automate watering for your plants. Split End Trimmer. Trim hair ends without a salon visit. Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. Remove stains quickly and effectively. Robot Vacuum. Automate floor cleaning with smart navigation. Smart Thermostat. Control your home temperature remotely and optimize energy use. Instant Pot Duo, a multifunctional pressure cooker that also slow cooks, makes yogurt, and more. Revlon One-Step Volumizer, a hair dryer and hot air brush that styles hair in one step. Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, a versatile cleaner for tough stains in the kitchen and bathroom. GE Profile All-in-One Washer-Dryer Combo, a washer and dryer in one unit that automates the laundry process. One standout product is the GE Profile All-in-One Washer-Dryer Combo. This game changer eliminates the need to transfer clothes from the washer to the dryer, saving you significant time and effort. You can control it via an app, configure dry times, and receive alerts about detergent and fabric softener levels. These time-saving products can significantly streamline your daily tasks, freeing up more time for what matters most. Whether it's cooking, cleaning, or personal grooming, there's a tool here to help. What's your favorite time-saving product? Share it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other videos on productivity and smart home gadgets. Thanks for watching here at Time Management Trends at TM Trends.